Now, we already know simple present. Just to remind you, it's a tense we use to talk about an action that occurs with some regularity. If I say, I go to work every day, or I drink coffee, meaning that these actions are in present time, but they aren't happening at the moment. And we use do and does to make a question, like in, do you drink coffee? Does he eat sandwiches? But today, I want to talk about another tense, present progressive. We use this tense to describe an action happening at this very moment. For example, I'm drinking coffee. It means that right now, I am drinking coffee. Or, he is eating a sandwich. Or, we are speaking English. We use be in the right form. Am, is, are. And a verb with ing ending. For example, I am eating dinner. You are drinking orange juice. He is learning English. These actions are happening at this moment. In questions, just like before, subject and be change places. He is eating a meat pie becomes, is he eating a meat pie? He is he? I am drinking apple juice. Am I drinking apple juice? I am. Am I? Now you try. Ask a question. He is watching a movie. Is he watching a movie? I am working. Am I working? Let's try it in a bit more difficult examples. He is watching a movie. What is he watching? He is in a question changed into is he? Now you try. She is watching a movie. What is she watching? We are eating pizza. Where are we eating pizza? We are eating is positive. Are we eating is a question. Where are we eating pizza? Let's try another example. John is taking the elevator. Is John taking the elevator? Who is taking the elevator? Now, let's practice. Speak. Speak. Speaking. Speaking. Drive. Drive. Driving. Driving. Prefer. Prefer. A car. A car. Now. Now. Speak. Speak. Speaking. Speaking. Drive. Drive. Driving. Driving. Prefer. Prefer. A car. A car. Now. Now. Do you like to eat a slice of cheese when you are hungry? Yes, I like to eat a slice of cheese when I'm hungry. Are you eating a slice of cheese? No, I am not eating a slice of cheese. Do you drink water when it's hot? Yes, I drink water when it's hot. What do you drink when it's hot? I drink water when it's hot. Are you drinking water? No, I am not drinking water. Are you learning to speak Japanese now? No, I am not learning to speak Japanese now. Are you learning to speak English now? Yes, I'm learning to speak English now. Are you learning to speak German now? No, I am not learning to speak German now. Which language are you learning to speak now? I'm learning to speak English now. Do you learn English every day? No, I don't learn English every day. Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. Do you like to drive a car? Yes, I like to drive a car. Are you driving a car? No, I am not driving a car. What are you doing? I'm learning to speak English. Are you learning to drive a car? No, I'm not learning to drive a car. Do you often take the elevator? Yes, I often take the elevator. Do you take the elevator to the second floor? No, I don't take the elevator to the second floor. Do you take the stairs to the second floor? Yes, I take the stairs to the second floor. Are you taking the elevator to the 8th floor? No, I am not taking the elevator to the 8th floor. Are you taking the stairs to the 2nd floor? No, I am not taking the stairs to the 2nd floor. What are you doing now? I'm learning to speak English. Do you go to work on Thursday? Yes, I go to work on Thursday. Do you like to go to work on Thursday? Yes, I like to go to work on Thursday. Do you prefer to work or to hang out with your friends on Thursday? I prefer to work on Thursday. Do you like to eat healthy food for lunch? Yes, I like to eat healthy food for lunch. Are you eating healthy food? No, I'm not eating healthy food. What are you doing? I am learning to speak English. Do you prefer to eat light dinner or heavy dinner? I prefer to eat light dinner. Is heavy dinner good for you? No, heavy dinner isn't good for me. Is heavy dinner bad for you? Yes, heavy dinner is bad for me. Is heavy lunch bad for you? Yes, heavy lunch is bad for me. Do you prefer to have light breakfast or heavy breakfast? I prefer to have light breakfast. Are you eating breakfast? No, I'm not eating breakfast. Do you eat dinner in a car? No, I don't eat dinner in a car. Do you eat dinner in a restaurant? Yes, I sometimes eat dinner in a restaurant. Where do you usually eat dinner? I usually eat dinner at home.